good morning everybody. This is Dave here with a very small update. This should only be about 5-10 minutes, but I want to go ahead and introduce a tool that I use often online. It's from Google called Google Colaboratory, and what it is it allows you to run your Python code in the cloud using a cloud-based Jupyter notebook. Now this is pretty sweet because you have access to GPUs, which are very much in need when you start doing like machine learning and working with data. So just in an example here, for my next video, which will be episode 8, I'm starting to code the technicals, the technical indicators for various stocks. And you can see here I'm working on the classes, Alpha Vantage, IEX. I'm also using Yahoo Finance. But for now, what I'm doing is I'm using just a static ticker symbol, Tesla. And I can put in, whatever period, 5-minute, daily, what have you. And then I can run these. And this is probably not going to work. Oh, hey, it did. So let's see what it came up with. So let's just do a DF. And nada. Okay, that's fine. But anyways, like with Yahoo Finance, you can see I'm pulling the Tesla symbol with an interval of 1 day. And then I'm basically printing out the pandas data frame. So if we run that, you can see that it's pulled data all the way back from 2010. Oh, how I wish I purchased Tesla back then, right? Because you can see the price on the 26th of this year is at $641. But anyways, now I did want to go ahead and show you here some normalization. So you can see from Yahoo, it's normalizing, or it's making the column frames, or the columns within pandas, with the leftmost string, or letter, is uppercase, but with Alpha Vantage, everything is in lowercase, and plus they have these numbers here. So in the next video, when we start actually programming everything, you'll see that basically I'm doing a normalization, and that is the reason why. So this way we can get all of our Panda data frames as well as all of the collections in our MongoDB basically just normalized, so everything is dress right dress if you come from a military background like I do. Well, yeah, that's pretty much the small update here. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys Google Colaboratory, as well as kind of explain, some of my workflow techniques that I'll be doing in the next video. So, thanks for watching. Have a good night.